What are you looking for on them?
Yeah, what'd you call that one?
Voltron, yeah. I brought the whole family.
Okay.
Well, not really the whole family, but a portion.
Yeah, the little baby clothes right now.
Gotcha.
They're looking at for anything small.
They got the Star Wars thing.
Yeah, and that bag right next to it, that has like all the little figures that go to it.
Nice. How much is the Trackmaster?
Did I just go back my backwards? Yeah, I did. And
How much is this? Like the whole lot? $1. Alright.
How much is your Trackmaster, Thomas thing?
I was gonna ask 5 for it.
5?
It works. My kids just fight over it.
Is this is part of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like
That's pretty cool.
it's like a big loop.
Hmm.
So that it goes. This is like you push this down,
Ah, okay, and then it goes up the.
and then the train comes on it. It goes up.
That's pretty
and
neat.
It comes down and it jumps like over.
Yeah,
So yeah,
I'll take it for $5.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. I have
cool.
4 kids, and every time I set it up, pretty much they all just like tackle it
Swarm
and knock
to it.
over.
Yeah.
So I never set it up anymore. So, there you go. Thank you.
Let me see if I have 5. Nothing you see, Corey? Did you look at the plushies? Here's $5. You cold? Oh, PJ Masks. That's cool.
Yeah, he
Oh, he's got power too. He
needs
does
to be
something.
charged, and I lost the charger for him.
Oh.
So it's like one of those little, and that's why he's real cheap. But it's in here. It's like one of those USB cords.
Oh yeah, that's pretty common.
And I also do not know.
Ooh.
I need to go.
Vicious.
My dog, sorry.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And I don't know how to like reset him.
Okay.
So. Hey.
Oh no, it activated the big dog.
This is cool.
Where did you see him?
You sure?
Yeah, I don't think
What about ones with cameras built in?
Creepy.
Isn't that what that is?
Yeah, looks like it.
yeah.
It's got a camera.
Don't step on the blanket.
I'm gonna try it. I guess we'll put everything in the back. Nothing you see, Chad. I just want to pay for this. These are decent, but they don't look official, right? They look weird. I thought I remember hearing.
Alright, well, I'm gonna grab this.
Can you? I should have had them. Can you bring this tower? Because I'm gonna be able to carry everything. Thank you. You're fine. How much is this if I wanted these? For
$2.
$2. Okay.
Like I said, I'm doing with it the dollar stick animals because I know much about him. He does
Okay.
plug in and charge. He does talk to you,
$2.
but I can't promise anything.
No, that's okay. I just think he's a cool monkey.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Cool. All right. Well, thank you.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too.
You're welcome.
Hey, are we okay to look yet? Or
Oh yeah, man.
okay. Cool. Thank you.
What is this?
All right, go for it.
Bill.
What's this?
We're still bringing stuff out from the garage, but y'all are.
Okay.
We
Cool.
got stuff in the garage on tables as well.
All right. Awesome. Thank you. Ice Age collision course. This is cool. Oh, it's dented. Joe Cocker.
feel free to
rummage?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you guys have any VHS tapes?
Not out here.
Not out here.
Okay.
Threw a bunch away, and I guess I shouldn't.
Did you? Oh, they're not.
Also, Bob Dylan CDs out here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, cool.
I saw you looking at the CDs. I'm like,
Yeah.
where's that Bob Dylan one? Because I thought it was really cool.
Oh, neat.
It's got like all this stuff in it.
That is cool. That's cool. It's not really as cold as I thought it would be.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
I think moving around will get warmed up.
These are some cool chairs. Deal of a lifetime. Solar light. That's cool. Let's see. Chad, you know they got 50-cent puzzles in there for Lindsay.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I mean, my gosh.
Who's that? Is that Alvin? Oh, that's awesome.
Nice.
His voice has been better in the past. Yeah, I think so.
I can't put your stuff on.
Yeah, there's a little stuff
Yeah. Let me see the puzzles.
in there.
Oh, they got a bunch of them.
Yeah, they have a ton.
Y'all aren't into like really old board games, are you?
Yeah.
I had some upstairs that I think are like good. But
Yeah, I'd look
I
at
have,
old
like,
board
an
games.
ET one.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I'd look at that.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. This is
Cool.
these are probably. I got some probably collectibles. in
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Definitely some cool stuff.
I didn't give them permission to bring it out, but
You tried to stop him, huh?
stick the whole bag for 7,000. Don't worry about that.
7 grand, huh? Deal of a lifetime.
Well, I mean, look at this.
These books are
Let me
cool.
tell you what's crazy.
Yeah.
Is that a 45?
No,
album?
it's CDs.
Okay.
Yeah, I
All right.
did. It looks like a
I
45.
had a friend of mine who passed away years and years ago,
Uh-huh.
and he was in the Green Beret, and his wife said, I'd love to have that Barry Sadler song to play at his funeral. And I said, I've got it on a 45.
Okay.
So what I loaned it to her, we played it at church, and then 2 days later she called me, she said, Bill, it was a 45, and the cover had Barry Sadler in his uniform. And she said, Bill, I've lost it.
Oh, no.
But I'll replace it. She called me 2 days later and she said, Bill, they want $150 for the cover. They don't care about the 45 one. They want $150 just for the cover.
Wow.
So some of these things like this, nobody might not care about what's inside, but
For the cover, yeah, interesting.
so
Yeah.
anyway, then she found it 2 years later and brought it back to me.
Ah,
Yes. So I got all my 45 and
Wow.
my 33s in the house.
that's crazy.
Baseball cards.
Baseball cards? What years?
Well, here's the thing.
Yeah.
I called a guy downtown.
Okay.
And he says anything 81 to 83 you'll find. He said, but in 84 to 93 they started mass producing.
Yeah. Yep.
So I'm I'm just gonna box them up and take them with me, and
Yeah.
cause I was having breakfast with a guy at a pier down at Sunset, down at Holden Beach about 3 or 4 years ago, and he said I sold my baseball cards for $7,000.
Whoa.
And then 2 years
Jeez.
after that, he says I sold the rest of them for $14,000. Wow. So I'm hanging on to my baseball.
You should, yeah. Wow.
But
That's
like I said,
crazy.
81 is the oldest I got.
That's
But
crazy.
Barry Bonds used to play with the Pittsburgh Pirates
Yeah.
in baseball, and the franchise here locally was the Zebulon. What's the name of the Zebulon team? But I took my youngest son to the game over in Zebulon when
Yeah.
the Mudcats. The
Mudcats, that's
They
right.
played
Yeah.
Pittsburgh, and Barry Bonds was there, and I had his rookie card. And
Yeah.
Kenny followed him around and got him to sign it.
That's cool.
Oh, it's a fish.
The game, I bet.
That's it's what is that? The fishing game.
Huh?
How much is this?
Barbara.
Here's like the ones that I found.
No, if it was with the toys over there.
Oh, that one is so cool.
Yeah, these, like I looked online and they look like this one's a little,
Wow.
I haven't looked at all the pieces.
Yeah, Voltron. Oh, that's actually
Yeah.
really cool too. Yeah, Voltron.
And this
seen
one
better
looks
days.
really cool, the Pac-Man.
Wow. Yeah, this one. What are you looking for on them?
Yeah, what'd you call that one?
Voltron, yeah. From
I don't know, they're not, I'm gonna
Transformers.
let you like,
I used to
have that toy.
the Voltron toy.
Seriously. Fair offer, I have no idea. So, whatever.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not that interested in Parcheesi. I'm interested in these four.
Okay.
$10.
You okay with
Did
that?
you do that?
yeah, I'm good
Yeah?
with that.
Absolutely.
Okay. And then I don't know what you had on these things. I got these 3 cassette collections and then this solar light.
All right, just name your price. Like we're and go put this by the,
What are you thinking on your CDs?
Well, I mean, what I say, you have something to play on with?
Yeah,
Okay, just say $20 for everything.
$20 for
Because, I mean, like I said, those covers are probably going to be worth more than what the CD's going to be worth. Just because it's got
Okay.
the original artist stuff on it. So.
So you're saying $20 for this and the light, or everything all together?
everything.
That's fine.
Absolutely.
Cool.
I may have a box.
And I've got the reusable Sherwin Ultra Strength that's been washed, dried, and re-rolled back on the reel. That's free for you. Sherwin Ultra Strength.
What are you getting? Toilet paper. Good.
You need a box?
No, actually, I think. Well, yeah, actually, I'll take one. Here's $20.
Okay,
Thank you. You guys don't have any old video games for sale, do you?
No.
Any old video
we didn't
games?
find any video games.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was hopeful that we'd find something like that, but we didn't
Yeah.
find any.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you guys. Let's see if I want to. The VHS?
Well, we had a bunch. They're probably in that dumpster, but
We probably had 300.
All right, I'm jumping in. No.
yeah.
All right, thank you guys.
Okay, take care, man.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, did you look through these toys? Yeah. Did you buy your Alvin?
I gave it for you, so $10 it looks like you get.
It's cool though.
The actual.
Wait,
yeah.
what's in here? Racco. Oh, dude.
Hang on.
Knight Rider.
There's no pieces.
None?
It's the board.
Let me look.
It looks like it's missing a side.
Oh, yeah. Well, hold on.
Yeah, there's like nothing in it.
Yeah, it's pretty much
I
empty.
opened it and looked. That's why I was like,
That's not even Knight Rider, is it? Oh, it is, yeah. This is cool.
yeah, see, like, there's a desk over there. I really like.
Yeah.
$5. Nice.
It's a good price.
But what am I gonna do with the desk? You know,
Put it in the back of your truck.
those are all hymnals. I started looking through. I'm like, oh, cool, they're books, but they're all like just hymnals.
Actually, hymnals sell better than most books.
Really?
Yeah, they sell because people need them for their churches. Why have my Tanu cover? Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming with me, Dave. Hey guys, Dave here. Thank you so much for coming with me to those yard sales. I hope you enjoyed the footage. Definitely had some really cool finds today. That Trackmaster Thomas train set looks like it sells for $150 plus on eBay. I put it on Facebook for $100, and I actually have a few people who have already reached out to me. Unfortunately, I already sold it to my sister for $25 because she wanted it for her kids. So I do have to take down that Facebook post, and you know, it's gone. So that's fine. I could have made a lot more money, but still it was a great deal, and I still made $20 really quick. I also got that weird monkey that like is interactive and has a camera. It looks like it sells for $25. I still need to test it, and then I can list it. And then at that second sale, I kind of was overwhelmed, walking around like a chicken with his head cut off because there was just so much there to process. Luckily, they kind of rescued me and brought up this idea of old board games and brought out a bunch of stuff. Really cool games. That Dukes of Hazzard TV tray sells quick, it looks like, for around 70 bucks. It'll probably be sold by the time this video goes live. And it looks like the other winner of the batch was that Pac-Man board game. Definitely feel like I missed a couple things. Comment down below. Let me know if I missed anything that you saw and I didn't. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so you know when I make a new video.